Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all attachment messages on Gmail. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps on how to easily find specific attachment messages in your Gmail inbox on an Android device. To get started, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the menu options. From the menu, tap on All Mail. This will show you all the mail in your inbox, including those with attachments. Now, under the Search and Mail bar, tap on Attachment. This will filter your mail to show only messages with attachments. You can further narrow down your search by selecting the type of attachment you are looking for from the menu options. Simply tap on the attachment type, and you will see a list of messages that contain that specific type of attachment. And that's all there is to it. You can now easily view all attachment messages on Gmail by following these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Gmail efficiently.